Hi, my name is Jambut Singh. Today we are going to compare for loop, while loop and do while loop. So these three loop are in the same, but we are using in a different scenario. As like here what we have do know for loop. Here is the initialization. So we have initialized the starting point and there is the condition where what is the condition when your loop is going to be stopped now, and there is the increment or decrement, how much you are going to increment. This is the plus or plus, it means increment operator is going to be increment your loop in the 1. If you put +2, your loop is going to be increment on +2 point. Same as in the while loop, you have seen that while loop only has the condition. When this condition is true, your loop is working. When this condition is false, your loop is going to be false. As you see, I have initialized I equal to 1 and here I have incremented it. For when I is less than 10, when I is less than 10, then it's going to be true. Otherwise, it is going to be false. After the 10th iteration is going to be, because I is going to be 11, that time this loop will be break. And same thing is the do while loop. What happen in the do while loop? As you see that first it's execute it. It's all the things is going to be executed when the till the condition is true. As you see, I equal to 1 here, so it's going to be executed. But after that, I I plus plus. So what happened in the I plus plus? When I is going to be 11, then its uh, loop is going to be terminate because of the things. First this segment of the code, do segment of the code is going to be executed. After that, this while condition is to be true. But here what happened, first it's check the condition, it says true, then it's going to be execute. But here what happened, it's going to be first execute this code, then after going to be check the condition. But here for loop, all the things it's going to be start. First it's check the starting point. When starting point is there, then it is going to be this termination point. Then after then go to increment and execute this block of the code. So this three loop is present in the C and C++ both of the programming language, and same syntax is for the C programming language and C++ programming language both. And here I have calling these three functions. For this is the for loop, while loop and do while loop. So I just run the program and show you what is the exact output of this program. As you see that 1 to 10 for the for loop, and there is the second function call for the while loop, and third function for the do while loop. So this is the main things in the uh, comparison between for loop, while loop and do while loop. As you see that all the things is the same, as like the initializer is here. So for loop we initialize here, for while loop we initialize here, for the do while loop we initialize here. After that, we check the condition where the condition is lie true or false. So for while loop, we check the condition is here, and for the do while loop, we check the condition is here. For the increment or decrement, we have check it here, third point. So for loop, we check it here, and for the while loop, we increment it. Sorry, we increment here, and for the for loop, we increment here. And same thing for the do while loop, we increment here. So same thing in the do while loop and for loop. But some cases we use in the different scenario, as like you want to your condition is true, so always true, so you just put it here one and your code is going to be infinite time. And same time some things is there, some uh, as like some condition is there when first this executed code and then you going to be check it. So that time we use the do while loop. But most probably we are always using the for loop because it is a used to be. So that the reason mostly we using the for loop. For the embedded system, mostly we use in the this while loop, because embedded system we want to infinite loop, that we mostly use in the while loop. And do while loop we use some special scenarios when we required. Thank you.